Whole bunch of dirt. Very clumpy. It's very tight. Dirty. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Sweetness here, and I'm back with another video. Of course, I'm about to take out my hair. I am so
I'm feeling myself, as you can see,
attached to these braids. I am so sad right now. I had these braids in, let's just say, for 5 months. I retwisted my roots about 4 times, and I just had an amazing time. I had so many compliments, especially with this blue. The blue is just giving me life. And yeah, so I'm about to take it out, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications because I'll be posting, of course. So all you really need is, like, you know, a big comb. You need a big tooth comb. You need a tail comb, of course, not too thin of a teeth, a pick, and that's about it. You guys need scissors to make sure you cut it at least 2 to 3 inches away from your natural hair. And yeah, that's about it. Of course, my husband's gonna come and help me right now, and I'm about to start to take out my box braid. So I was showing you guys because a lot of you guys made comments that your hair is gonna dread if you were to retwist your roots. I'm gonna let you know that no, it does not. Okay, as well as my roots undo itself basically, so it doesn't even stay in the retwisted method that you see in the past videos. In this video, if you want to see, yeah, this video, it's not like that at all right now, as you can see. So some may be twisted, but I'm going to show you how to unravel and take out your box braids so you don't have a whole clump of hair coming out. All right, we're going to start right now. We'll be taking out one that has actually been in there for 5 months, so you can see. All right, so I feel roots over here, so I'll show you how I take this one out. Okay guys, so I am getting to the root. So you take your time pulling it apart. Okay, once you get there, all right guys, so there's the root, the buildup. As you can see, it's not dreaded at the roots. It just has the dirt buildup. Maybe this is what you guys are talking about. You're talking about the dirt buildup, but that's just buildup from, like, you know, having it in for like the past 5 months. I don't use nothing but my fingertips, and I just use my fingers and open. Also, what you can do is you can grab your tail comb and put the comb in it just like so. And what you're doing is you're softening up the dirt with this. I don't use no water. I don't use no conditioner or anything like that, because I find that it would just clump it up even more. So in its dry, natural form, when you know you're about to take it out, don't oil your roots. Don't put nothing like heavy in your roots at all. Just let it absorb. When it's dry and dusty, it's way better to take out. Okay, so as I said, I use the comb and I break it apart with the comb, the dirt. Once I do that, I use my fingers and gently pull apart. As you can see, it's opening up, and this is from 5 months. Okay, and look at that. And now what you're gonna do, start from the ends, you comb up, and you just gently comb out the dirt from the root part. And once you do that, you're done. And that was one braid. So this is 5 months. So I'm going to have some hair loss in each braid. It's just a normal thing. So yeah. Okay, so this is about what I have in one braid. Okay guys, 5 months. As soon as you take out your box braids, you're gonna have some shedding. Of course you are. Of course you're gonna see all that dirt flying all over the place. And that is it. See?
You hear a lot.
No more. So yeah, guys, it didn't dread. You just have to know how to take it out. And the size is what matters as well. If your hair is, if you get your box braids done and it's a little bit thicker at the root, it's so much better. But if you're doing smaller braids than mine, micro braids, and you're putting in a whole bunch of crap in your hair, expect some, locking of some of that sort. I'm not trying to say that you can never get your roots locked, but just know what you're doing. Educate yourself. And I feel like a lot of people are not educating themselves, because I am educated because I've been doing this for years. So you guys can't tell me that my hair is going to dread or tell other people. I'm just letting you know what works for me, and it may work for you. And just use your discretion. That's all. Know your hair. Know yourself, and you'll be fine. As you can see, that dirt just dust away. You break it apart with your comb, and that is it. And I'm going to do the rest of my hair now. So I hope you guys understand what I was trying to tell you guys. I know I didn't show you, but finally I'm getting this video to you guys, and I'm happy that I'm doing that. So yeah, I'm pretty excited that I'm taking this out, because as my husband said, he sees the growth. I could never, this is like maybe almost the top of my head, and I'm actually like, putting it forward, and I have look a length, which is pretty exciting. So I'm gonna take out the rest of my hair, and that's all you guys need. And I'm glad that I'm doing this video, because there was a lot of comments that, oh, your hair is gonna dread, your hair is gonna dread. As you guys can see, my hair did not dread. It's dirt buildup. I'm gonna show you one that was twisted. It was already retwisted, and because some of them stayed, some of them don't. It unravels. It don't stay like that. If you retwist your roots every now and then to go out, I did it 4 times in 5 months. You don't need to do it often. This one is a bit twisted, and all you do is you untwist it. So which way is it twisted? If it's twisted that way, you twist it the opposite direction, and voila, guys, look at that. It's not dreaded. You can space it out, you can open it. It's good. So once you do that, you pull it forward and you start unplaiting. I'm going to do another braid for you guys, so I'm going to speed this part up. Okay guys, now I'm at the top. I'm going to show you how I take this out. Once again, make sure you pay attention. So you see all that dirt? Whole bunch of dirt. Very clumpy. It's very tight. Dirty. Okay, so I'm going to use my fingers first and pull as much as I can apart. Okay. And guys, let me remind you guys, this is the same one that was retwisted that I showed you, that I untwisted and I pulled out. So the last bit of the dirt, I'm just going to use my comb once again and just break it apart as much as I can. Make sure that it's a pointy comb and it's not no soft comb like this is more harder. Okay? And you just break it apart. Okay? Once you do that, use your fingers once again and feel each strand. Try to feel each strand and open it up. Once you do that, you get your comb, start from the ending of the hair, and you work your way up. And you try to just slide the dirt off your strands. Take your time. There's no race. Make sure you guys have time to do this. Don't say, oh, I'm gonna take out my hair and later on I'm gonna get my hair done. I have an appointment. No. Just take your time, because then you're gonna rush. Just make sure that you're not rushing this takeout process. Take your time. Milk this situation. Okay? Once again, here's the breakage from one strand of box braid, natural hair. You know what I'm talking about. Okay? Yeah. If you love me and you want to support this video, then, just thumbs up. Comment down below. It is what it is. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to take out these braids. It's about 9:15 p.m. and I'm getting a bit tired. So I'm going to continue watching my empire and you guys could just watch along. I appreciate you guys.